there, I have a little project today. I found this K at, I don't know if it was Joann's or Michael's, probably Joann's, really on clearance. And I have painted it black, and I think I'm going to put a jelly plate print on the front of it so that it'll look really cute if it's standing on a shelf. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with all my jelly plate prints that I have. I love some of them. I don't like some of them. I mean, they're fun, but they're not something I really want to do anything with. So I thought I would go through them and see, you know, which ones might look good on a K. So I cut out a K in paper so that I can move it around on my paper to see what might look cool. So I don't know what color I want. I want to put it on my shelf that is over to my right. I just don't know which color I want yet. And I kind of just wanted to leave it up in the air because I want to see which page I think would look the best. So this one would actually look pretty cool. I really like the swirls that are in it. And so it would look neat to have like a swirl over the K. Like that one right there. It's kind of fun. This one has a lobster stamped in the back, and so I don't see myself doing anything else with this page. And if you put the K like that, you're not going to know that's a lobster. So I kind of like the idea of using this page. I also like the colors. That one's kind of pretty right there. It just has the hint of the red lobster in the back. So I think I like this one better than the first pink one. Then there's this one that looks like ribbons. It is really pretty, but I'm not sure I want it to be on my K because I think it has potential as something else. I don't know what, but something else. It is really pretty. That right there, that's kind of nice. I'm going to put that in the maybe pile. This page I think is awesome. It is really cool. And I've been thinking about it a lot. I kind of feel like I want to paint something on it, but I don't know what. Like, what on earth could I paint on this with acrylics that the background wouldn't be distracting? And it's almost kind of like I want to save it for that perfect little thing. But also, I kind of want to cut it up. I'm going to put that one on the no pile. This one I love. It's my favorite colors, orange and green, with little birds and leaves, which just so that is me, birds and leaves, orange and green. But on the K, it's just kind of meh. It just misses the mark. So I don't think this is it. This page is gorgeous. I love this page. I actually kind of feel like this would look beautiful on the K, but it also would look gorgeous as a sketchbook cover, like a small mini sketchbook. The front and back, I think I could get that. So I'm going to put this in the no pile because I think I want to use this for something else. This I don't love. It's kind of neat because I think I could paint something on it, but I don't know what. It also would work for tearing the page down and cutting the page down and using it to collage. For example, I think I could get interesting grass and trees here by cutting it down. And if I put the K, I would want to get as much as the edge as possible on it. So that actually looks kind of cool, getting the very edge here, but I wish there was more. It just doesn't do it. It just doesn't do it, so that's going to be a no. This one I think is interesting. I don't love it as it is. It could be a cool K. But just not feeling it. This one I think is neat. I would not do anything with this, I don't think. It would have to be collage. But I think it looks cool like that, having the swoops here. I think this way it follows that too much. That's kind of cool. That one. The ribbons. The lobster. I think it's the lobster. I think right there. Or right around there. Flip it over. Ooh. I like that. This is here. And this is here. I think that's pretty. I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay. Decision made. Now I just need to cut it out and Mod Podge it to my K.